you already know, I do live out here in LA, and what's happening out there is not okay. Families are being torn apart. Communities are being raided. I'm gonna just keep it short, but f*** ICE. Anyways, let's move on to the reaction. We got ATEEZ Lemon Drop official MV. You already know I'm not ready. There's so much K-pop coming out right now. I ain't ready. I took a little bit of a break, not trying to keep up, and then they just drop something on my face. Come on, y'all. Come on, that's unfair. Anyways, ATEEZ Lemon Drop. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Ooh. KQ Entertainment. Oh, I know when you need that fan. That fan not keeping up on the other side. Where the lemons at? On the TV? That's it? Oh, it's dripping something. Who's licking lollipops up in this hole? Of course it would be. Oh, hold on. You look at extra. Whoa. Look at extra. Look at this scene right here. What is that scene? Let me see that. Damn, boy. Looking good. Don't you dare. Oh, hell nah. Oh, hell nah. Okay, what? Why is it soapy? What the hell? Who? Someone showering? Oh, hell no. Don't even say focus. Focus is too close to. You already know. You know what I mean? Gotta be diluted up in here. Delulu. I will. It's burning hot over here. Why you laying down on that hood like that? Why you looking at? Why side-eyeing me right here? Not with the backwards hat and the denim on denim. He got the denim on denim. He got the denim on denim. They all got the denim on denim. Hold on, what the hell? We teasing with the car keys? And he just got the shirt up. Oh no. He got the bruh. Oh, it's burning. We staying up till sunrise. What you talking? Lemon drop is an alcohol, no? Is that what alcohol? Is that what it's called? Lemon drop? Hey man, I gotta stop on the drinking. I'm just let you know I can't drink no more. But shit, I'll drink for y'all. Oh, you asleep? You need a nap? Oh, his wife is smoking in there. What the hell is going on? Hotboxing? Oh, it's it. Oh, girl, it's a sun up in here. I love the way he raps. Hold up. It's too hot. I love Hangjun. Period. What you got? Going to the pool? Oh, you bring the pool to me. Gotta be wet like what? Oh, damn, bro. Your song? Hold up, I'm sorry. But, oh my God. What in the back rooms is this? Oh, that's fire. That's fire. That's fire. Yeah. Sunrise. What we doing with it? Hey. Oh, somebody's laundry. definitely for the summer for sure. Yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, yay, yay, yay. Here we go, what we doing? Here we go, what we doing? Let me drop on my booty. What? Damn, I wasn't ready for all these visuals and songs, bro. The music, I wasn't ready for the visuals. What is that? Who's somebody in the trunk? Who you left in the trunk? Oh my God, I thought it was gonna be a human being. God, thank God. Boots. Oh, we taking out the boots? Oh, we taking out the boots tonight? Oh, what are we doing? Who we stomping on? We jumping somebody? Anyways, Lemon Drop, everybody. Put a comment down below what you guys think of Lemon Drop by ATEEZ. My God, I don't think I was ready. Hold up, can I go from the very beginning? Because I wasn't ready for Hangjun. Nah, I mean, almost everybody, basically. I just didn't expect him with a... Him? Oh my God. Songhwa? What is this? What's all this? You see all this? All these visuals up in this bit. You can't be looking at me like that. What's wrong with you? That's gonna hurt. I mean, what? That's gonna hurt. I mean, that's gonna like... I don't know what I'm trying to say. Whatever said that I said. Why you wet as hell? What the fuck? You drenched? Who sprayed on you? Not the suds. That it could be taken anyway. Someone's getting clean though. You inspire, girl. And this man, he's just a problem in general, bro. Look at that. Freaking boots on, tight ass freaking jeans. Got a wrench in his hand for no damn reason. He don't know. He don't fix cars. And he just dropped his whole freaking torso on the hood. Focus on me. Stop. He look good though. My God, Jesus. Where are these side looks, bro? All these bombastic side eye. Lord, I can't deal with that. I can't. I'll watch this on my own. Put a comments down below what you guys think. Again, be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. And hey, have a blessed day, okay? All right, y'all. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of EXO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.